Hello everybody. Once again I am here with you for the another part which is to be again related with the acoustics and ultrasonics. Last unit which is to be primary session which is related with the reverberation, what means to be that, and exactly what is to be Sabin's formula, that is also we have seen in detail. Now acoustics measurement is a very simple part which actually connected with the intensity related and the power related part of the acoustics measurements are to be there. Only two measurements are to be there, and it's a very simple part as far as the related with our calculation part, or regarding the uh, measurements related with the acoustic designings are to be there. Basically it is to be as an logarithmic scale, and measures the acoustics intensity and the power as well as the pressure is to be there. And the unit for this is to be as an decibel, and in short it is written to be as an dB. Again, to be another important scale is to be referred to be as an logarithmic standard quantity, and decibel is the basically the dimensionless quantity, and that's why it is has no unit, and the value for it is to be 10 times the logarithmic value that is to be there. And basic usually it is to be written as an dB for that part, and the value is equal to be 10 times to be logarithmic base is to be there. Now again, as far as the two parts are going to be calculated, the first one is to be as an intensity level. Acoustical intensity level is how much it is, that is to be calculated using this acoustic level to be written as in this form: IL is equal to log of 10 log of I upon I0. dB refers to be as an I0 is nothing but to be watts per meter square, and basically this intensity level, or the IL, that is what the intensity level in the acoustics, that how much is as far as room is to be there, or how much in the hall, how what should be the acoustic level is to be there. That standard acoustics intensity referred to be as an I0, and that is nothing but to be given to be as an value 10 raised to minus 12 watts per meter square. And again, to be related with this IL, if we put this I0's value in this relation, the first one, then we have the new relation: IL is equal to 10 log to the log of to the I upon 10 raised to minus 12 dB, and here it's refers to be 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. And if we put these values in this case, they using the log, then it will be having the relation 10 log base 10 log of 10 into log of I plus log of 12. The another plus will, that is to be minus plus will, dB is to be there, and the total value is going to be calculated here to be as an 10 log I plus 120 12 it is to be as an power is going to be multiplied here, it is to be into 10, that is 120 log values dB is to be there. And this is how this IL is going to be, or acoustic intensity level is going to be calculated. Now simple another one measurement is to be there: power acoustic sorry pressure measurement is to be there. It is in the same way, it is to be having the relationship PL that is pressure level is to be written in this form as like log 10 log to the base 10 P upon P0 square dB is to be there, where the reference P0 is the newtons per meter square, and the pressure of the it is to be as an reference to an pressure of P0 newtons per meter square. And PL is nothing but to be then given as in 2. ఇక్కడ జర అలా it is to be becoming to be as an 20 log to the base 10 P upon P0 dB is to be there. Standard acoustics pressure reference is nothing but to be given P0 is nothing but to be 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 newtons per meter newton per meter square is the P0 value. If we put this value here in this relation, then we have the new relation: PL is equal to 20 log P upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 dB is to be there. Reference to be pressure, no doubt, 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Newton per meter square, and PL is equal to 20 into log P plus log of it goes to the upper side, and it becomes to be as an basically log 5 into 10 raised to 4, and it is to be again log 20. If we multiplied with this 20 into this, then 20 log p plus 20 log of 5 into 10 raised to 4 is to be there. And in this case it is to be again the if we calculate all these things, then it will become 20 log p plus 94 dB approximately is to be there. So this is what the acoustics pressure level is going to be calculated. Actually there are some examples to be there, but in MCQ point of view, if it is possible, there may be a problem related with that. So be careful how this relationship is to be there. As far as the pressure level, acoustic pressure level is going to be calculated, the relation you must have to know, PL is equal to 10 log to the base 10 P upon P0 square dB is to be there. And as far as the your acoustic intensity level is to be concerned, it is nothing but to be given with the relation that is called to be as an IL is equal to 10 log I upon I0 dB is to be there. So these are the two relationships are to be there as far as acoustics measurements are to be there. So thank you for joining this small session which is to be acoustics measurements are to be there. For the next session, the next video will be created. So till then, be at home and be safe.